Greetings and welcome to Spider-Man Gamport's channel. This time, Tetris. Cart's in used condition, you know. Something interesting is the back label. Go ahead, open it up, and yeah, let's clean the contact pads on this particular cartridge. And continue with the ASMR. While cleaning those particular contact pads. Well, this did not want to open up for me at all. You think it's going to be a mere polished finish? Needed to come in here and clean it though. Interesting. Tetris. Lockout chip. Alright. Oh, yeah, before we even start on that, let's go ahead and do color combinations. You got the green to go with the... Yeah, the green, right? Orange to go with the orange. And then blue to go with blue. Okay? Yeah. Oh, so, yeah, you get your chipsets. Background like that. Good to go. Pause it. Boop. There you got it. So yeah, my day has been going wonderful. A few days ago we had a terrible storm come through here, and it it flooded out my basement. And when I mean flood, it was like a good quarter of an inch of water everywhere down in my basement. And my apologies for not getting a video up sooner. I was really busy cleaning all that up, vacuuming and vacuuming and vacuuming, and just sucking up all the water out of the carpet down there. So that's what my weekend was. And I gave myself a day break, and it happened Friday at 7 p.m. We had a tornado warning and everything. And where I'm living in Minnesota, we usually don't get that kind of a storm come through. You know, like, it's very rare. So yeah, it was one of those. And so I was busy deep cleaning with a carpet shampooer all of my basement. Now, I'm not going to share any of that. I just, it's no big deal. I did record some of it, but it's like, I'm not going to sit here and complain about something that is just, it's an inevitability. It's going to happen. Everybody here up on the, in the area where I'm at, I mean, it was so brutal that other people were, you know, talking about how they had a foot deep or ankle deep water in their basements. So it's just like a common thing to have happen here. So that's what it was like, reassurance for me, where I was like, okay, so I'm not the only one. Alright, I'm gonna bring the camera down. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, I wanted to bring the PCB a little bit closer to the camera. I didn't want to give anybody motion sickness either, so that's why I paused it. Alright, are you guys ready for the ASMR part? I think you are. And 3, 2, Let's talk about Tetris. Man, I love playing Tetris. It's one of my more favorite games. I might say that a lot, but I do. I play a lot of games. And Tetris, it was great when you can play a game against somebody, much like Dr. Mario, where you can dump the other your block lines to the other player, as in a competitive play or versus play. Yeah, this one doesn't. I don't believe this particular version has that. I think that's the Tengen or Tengen version from the Atari version of it, which I wouldn't mind getting because that would be fun. But another Nintendo game that I missed playing was Pyramids, but I played that on the I believe on the Genesis more often than I did on the Nintendo. I know it's on for both consoles. But Pyramid was another one of these type of puzzle games. I remember spending hours and hours playing that one. I guess I like the musical score. I mean, I played Tetris on the Game Boy back in the day, when it was on a green screen and you could barely see it. And they were talking about, well, let's have some eye strain. I mean, you're watching it on TV and you get eye strain. Try playing it on a Game Boy for hours and hours. That's why I got that little kit for it. You know, that mirror kit with the speakers on the side and the little backlight or the light that goes onto it. That was awesome. I love that kit for the Game Boy. Okay, I think this is going to polish up nicely. Still looks like it's going to be a brushed metal look. But restored it back to what a little bit of that luster that I'm looking for. Let's see what that looks like. Look at that. That looks nice. Decent. Let's work on the other side now. Check it for corrosion. Just give me 1 second here. We're good. Yeah, it's still shiny right now even too. There's really not much on this. This is rather clean cart. Not too bad. No corrosion. Little board damage right there where they separated it from the, what's it called, a die or something like that. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this all scrubbed clean. So yeah, I woke up really early today too. I mean, got some stuff done. I gotta tell you, man, that turbocharged coffee is epic. it, it really brings me up an extra notch during my day. Like, it's like, yeah. All right, we're going ASMR in 3, 2, Tetris. Awesome. All right, we'll put it in the console now and give her a quick little playthrough. Play a game of Tetris. Woo. See you in a little bit. I am back. This time we're going to play a game of Tetris. Very happy with the way the contact pads turned on this one. Nice and clean cartridge. Let's give her a shot. To avoid a copyright strike. Yeah. Better turn it down too. I believe I made a code video for this particular game, where it gives you a bar every time. That's a nice cheat. It's fun. Definitely makes the game interesting. Alright, yeah. This is good enough. The game works perfectly fine. Thank you all very much for watching. Have yourselves a wonderful day, and take care. Happy gaming.